Hey everybody, it's clean up the makeup room day in the dog room. Oh my god. Hey. Somebody said they missed the dogs. I think it was Jerry. Start that over. Yeah, it's clean up room day in the beauty room / dog room. Eee, we got a mess. But the pups are out. As you could just hear, they were fighting. I probably am gonna take that out because it scared the hell out of me. Anyways, but that's what you get, Butsy, for starting a fight. Yeah, so I need to start first in my palette drawers because it's bad. I've just been throwing things in there. That is not good. So we are going to kind of start in here and we're gonna see how much we can get done. I think it's really the end now. Okay, so this has become my mess and it was so organized before. So I'm actually going to, this does not belong here. These all belong here, but they can be moved for a second. So I think what I have to do, because I was really after some of my larger palettes the other day. Excuse me, and they're buried on the bottom of this. So I think I'm going to put them back in here and put these in here. I think. Okay. But we're just going to take everything out for right now and kind of see where we're at. Yeah. Talk about, yeah. Actually, I may only have to take the top off because that seems to be what's creating the problem. Of course. This too shall pass. They get put on top of the dog's crates. I feel like I have a hairline fracture in my arm, which would not be good if that is true. Alright, so I was looking for this palette, and of course it was kind of stuffed underneath everything. I think that thing in the back there is just wide open. We're going to see. Oh yes, Jaclyn Hill, yes. Yes! There's one more down here I want to get my hands on. Actually, there's two down here. One is the 24G, and this is what this looks like inside. I never use it because I can't see it. So, that's actually bigger than the Jaclyn Hill palette. And then, last but certainly not least, my 39A, which is the Dare to Create palette. It's this one. Can't even see it in the frame. It's so large. And that's what that looks like inside. It's one of my favorites, but I never get to use it. And I was thinking about it this morning, and I was like, where could I put those large palettes that just don't seem to fit anywhere else? Okay. These are all my Morphes. Then I think I'm going to put, can you see in here, this was the storybook, it's the Willy Wonka Chocolate Factory one. This is my Jeffree Star. So this is the other problem I'm having. I have no idea what Juvia's Place palettes I have because I can't see them either. And unfortunately, I'm going to have to buy another thing that's large. Actually, I might be able to stand up Juvia's Place. It would be perfect if that works out. Alright, so this is my Jeffree Star Androgyny palette. And then I'm going to stick my Jeffree Star Blood Sugar palette with it. And then And that's kind of it for Jeffree. Jeffree. I wonder if I could put these like this because it says their names. I'll put that one, which is the Masquerade, on the side here. And then I could see these. This doesn't have its name either. This is the Nubian. Yeah. What a shit show this drawer is. Crap. It used to be organized. This is my That Glow kit. This is my Big Glow kit. This is my Nicole Guerrera kit. And this is my Aurora kit. And then this is my blush kit. This can go with all my ColourPop shadows, which is in the wrong spot. Makeup Revolution. This is not working out very well. Alright. You're like, hello? This is all of Makeup Revolution. We're gonna stick those here. We're gonna put a Huda in front of Jeffree, because that's all I have from her. And then this is a shit show. I'm sorry, my girlfriend just got done hiking the Grand Canyon rim to rim, and I was asking her where her partner was. Just a little joke. So, this is going to get better before it gets worse, right? That's how that saying goes. It's really not how that saying goes, but we're going to make that saying go that way. Alright, what else do we have here? No! Stop it. Alright, let's pull a little Kat Von D out. So we have Kat Von D, this palette. We have the Humongous palette. Just can't. Actually, you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to grab my Anastasia palettes and put them right here with all my other Anastasia stuff. Wouldn't that make sense? I have Anastasia Prism. I have Anastasia. What else do I have? Modern Renaissance Prism. I got Subculture somewhere. Oh, there it is. Subculture. I have Self-Made. I have the Mario Master Palette. It's another Makeup Revolution. Makeup Revolution. Stop it. Just stop it. Oh, here's the Festival palette by Juvia's Place. Alright, what are these? So ColourPop, ColourPop, ColourPop. That's up here. These are ColourPop, ColourPop. Have a lot of little indie brands. These are all ColourPop palettes. None of this was Makeup Revolution, I don't believe. Nope. Nope. No, no, no. I wonder if I'm gonna put the books on in here. This is all Too Faced, Sigma. Persona palette. And believe it or not, when we get this organized, I'm gonna pull out what I want in my makeup drawer. Oh, there's another Color Pop. I'm gonna put my little BB palette there. I think I'm gonna put my Makeup Revolution palette there. This is another Makeup Revolution. And then we're gonna start putting Kat Von D in here. Cause she real big. See, real big. And then we'll start making some room for some of this other stuff. There's another Kat Von D palette, and then that just leaves a little one brand. I have the Colored Rain, and I have the Zaliva palette in there. I do have some of these quads from Kat Von D. Put that in here. What is this? Where's my other one? But my other one's in another drawer. This is not going in here. Alright. I think this stays out. Let's see what this stuff is. See if any of this belongs in here. I'm going to break something before this is over. I'm just going to stick my Anastasia Cream Contour Palette in there. I think that drawer is pretty much done. It's a Kat Von D Shade and Light Eye Palette. I'm going to put that in the drawer too. Kat Von D stuff. How's that? This is a Morphe palette. This is the 15D. But see? Leave her alone. I don't know what you didn't get from the fight we just had. I might put one more lay in here. Just don't. Nah, it's not gonna fit. It's not gonna fit, Susan. Alright, let's see if you can see it in this drawer. I don't know how well you guys can see, and I apologize for that. These are all, except, yeah, this is all Urban Decay palettes. Here's another Urban Decay palette. What is this? This is Lorac. Let's see if we can put this over here and put these over here. Let's see if we can straighten up this shit show in this drawer. It is not going to work. That is not going to work. On the fourth time, Susan, that's not going to work. Sheesh. I have a bunch of BH palettes here. I've never touched them. I should get them out. I'm going to take this out. This is my Carly Bible palette. Two Becca palettes. Yeah, let's see if I can put this here. These are all my I see why it's not working. I wondered. It's going to work now. Buttsy got his little feelings hurt. His butt tore up by one of the girls. Well, by Oko. Not one of the girls, it was Oko. What is this? It's a NARS, I think. Nope, it's a MAC. This is all Tarte and Marc Jacobs and NARS in here. exception, I'm gonna pull this palette. Exception of some MAC palettes, but I think I'm gonna be able to stick my MAC palettes right there. I owe you guys a video on that one. My camera's gonna die. I know you're absolutely shocked about it. I'm gonna put this in one of my drawers. And this is drugstore. We're gonna find somewhere for all my drugstore stuff. This is drugstore. This is drugstore. I'm gonna find somewhere for my Viseart. Put that there. I'm gonna put my lime crime there. For now. For now. This is really drugstore. Put those in there. It's all drugstore. Leave Carly Bible out and find somewhere for her. These are my ColourPop shadows. I don't know that I want to keep them. I don't know what I want to do with them. That's a problem. I'm going to put them up here with my ColourPop, though, palettes. Because technically, they are ColourPop. No one needs to be this obnoxious about their stuff. Okay guys, so I know I didn't show you a lot, but that looks a lot better. And this doesn't account for the palettes and the palettes and the palettes I have in drawers. So we're gonna do some makeup switch up probably tomorrow. And see if I can get this room tidied up. Those dogs are gonna be the death of me. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I know that was not very exciting, but it was something I needed to do. I mean, I'm not gonna change out this because these are like all my Urban Decay and Too Faced that I reach for. But, you know, we'll change out the stuff on the desk. These are kind of like the staples to me. Actually, some of the things from the desk may go in this. Alright guys, we'll be back shortly. Say goodbye, Betsy. Betsy.